This is a young specimen of one of my favorite trees. It's called the big leaf magnolia. I'm sure you can understand why it got the name big leaf. It's an understory tree, so you usually won't see them reaching up higher than these oak trees or pine trees, so they need these big leaves to be able to photosynthesize underneath the shade and in the understory. I've been wanting to try to find one that I could plant in my yard. Obviously I can't take one from here because it's a national forest, so that would be illegal. I just think they're really cool plants. One thing Bankhead is known for is these beautiful rock formations. This is nothing compared to what's actually in the Sipsey, kind of on the Sipsey Trail and Borden Trail, but this is just a little off the beaten path boulder. Alright, so I've kind of started to make my way up this hill. Found this pretty cool bluff. I don't know how much you can see through the trees there. Can't really see much from here. And that's the trail going up that way through these laydowns. So I'm going to kind of try going up that way where Buck is and skirt along the side of it. I'm not going to go too much further because I can already tell I'm getting tired. This is kind of my first time being out here in a long time. And with it being so hot, I need to take it easy. So check out this spot up here. I see a little pretty cool looking overhang over there through the woods, and then we'll head back to the truck and then maybe try to go explore a few more places. You know, this is pretty cool, but it's also kind of scary for me. I mean, see those rocks over there had to get down here somehow. So just think about all of that falling down here. You can see there's a little bit of a gap underneath there. So there's no telling when or if it might go because it's definitely leaning. So we'll walk on up here, see what this looks like. Looks like a wet weather creek waterfall type deal. You can see where the water flows down when it's wet, but it's definitely not enough of a flow for a constant waterfall. Alright, we're going to head on back towards the truck, take a little break.